show, so if it sucks, so what? Good evening. I'm Skip Allen with Fox News. Ron Burgundy has the night off. On the political front, there seems to be a new development in alleged plagiarism regarding Melania Trump's speech. The CIA plans to speak with First Lady Obama to see exactly what technology she used to transport to the future to steal Ms. Trump's speech. What a way to make America great again. Excuse me, folks. We have some new developments. Yes, Bob, I was getting to that. And in sports news, Kevin Durant just signed a major deal with the Golden State Warriors. Imagine that. Over $200 million to have recess. I wish I could get paid to play games. I'm sure all the homies are about to get new ribs and white women. Word. Excuse me again, folks. Bob, I've been reporting the news for years. I have this covered. And you constantly interrupting me is pretty damn unprofessional. Here's some fun news for all ages. Pokemon Go seems to be sweeping the nation. My advice would be to pay attention to what areas you're playing in. I'm sure you don't want to get caught in a drug-related drive-by shooting trying to catch them all. And now for local news. A black man was killed today on the west side. Excuse me? I'm sorry? Well, he's still a man, Bob. My apologies. A 39-year-old man, I mean boy, was killed today on the west side. Officials say he was wearing a hoodie with multiple pockets that I'm sure were stocked with weapons and selling CDs I'm almost certain were stolen. When police asked for his identification, he pulled it out so fast the officer feared for his life and shot him. Heck, there could have been some sort of Inspector Gadget type weapon thing he built inside, right? You know how creative we are. Here's a little advice, poop dog. If the police stop you, they're only doing their job. Just do the right thing, obey, be polite, and comply. You'll get your day in court to be judged by a jury of your peers. I've got to be honest, Bob. This sounds pretty fucking ridiculous, even for me to say. And another thing, you can't expect me to... Wait, what's this? The teleprompter is telling me that I've been fired. After all I've done for this station, as much as I've helped hide from my people, and I lost my spot. Am I to help hide from my people? It's a commercial break. Hide from my people? I even changed my name for this shit. So in light of new developments, Skip ain't skipping out over any more stories. Y'all want some news? Well, my name is Tyrone Johnson. I've sold out my entire race to be a reporter, but I'm back, baby. Are we still rolling? Pokemon Go is bringing black people of all colors together. Melania Trump is a flat-out thief. I love basketball, especially Kevin Durant, and that cop shot that black man because he was a fucking racist. You can take this job and shove it right up your bleached assholes. In immortal words by Negro poet Don Cornelius, peace and soul, motherfuckers. Tyrone out.